Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I am super excited and happy to see you here. So today I'm back with another makeup tutorial slash little get ready with me, I guess. So I want to create some sort of a fall look that would be very easy to achieve, and that would be great for a nighttime look and would be great like wearable for a daytime as well. So I'm going to be using my eyeshadow palette by Glam Mr. Beauty. Sorry, it's a little dirty because it's well loved. But before I start this makeup tutorial, I wanted to talk to you about my little collaboration with the brand Dossier Perfumes. I already told you about this brand. They are awesome. They create affordable perfumes for women and men that are made in France but are very affordable comparing to like a big retailer perfumes. So this is how their package is looking like. I just received them and I just wanted to share them with you. I'm going to post all the links down below. So when you open the box, this is how it looks inside. It says it's made in France, risk-free order, vegan cruelty-free, and clean ingredients. And you get like a little card with description of the fragrance that you ordered. For example, this one is Oriental Oak Moss. And it says the top notes, middle notes, base notes, and the inspiration. When you go on their website and browse online, it's kind of hard to pick the perfumes online. So they tell you what the scent is inspired, so you kind of know what to expect. So this one inspired by Chanel Coco Mademoiselle Eau de Parfum. So this is, I'm sorry for my French, this is all the description right here. And then when you open the box looking like this, so you have the big fragrance right here, but you have like a very easy return policy on their website. So they attach this little sample, and you can open the sample, you can spray it and sniff it and see how it opens up on your body. So if you don't like it, you can return it. You don't have to open the big bottle and, you know, deal with all the return policy after that. So you can just try this and no questions asked. If you don't like it, just return it. So I'm not planning to return it, so I'm going to use this big bottle. What I really like about these bottles, they feel very heavy, but not like, it doesn't feel like you're overpaying for the packaging. Because a lot of times when I go to Ulta or Sephora and I browse some fragrances, I love all these bottles and then they look great on the vanity, but at some point, like on my vanity, there's not enough room for perfume, so I actually put them away. Plus my kids playing with my perfumes, so I try to put away the bottles anyway. So in this case, it doesn't feel like you're overpaying for the packaging, but it feels like you're still getting great quality. It's like a great quality glass, great quality plastic, and there's a magnet inside this cap, so when you put it in, it like snaps right back in. So I really like this one. So this scent, I got the Oriental Oak Moss. Let me try this. And this spray is like super fine mist. I really like this one. Oh yeah. I really feel all these notes of the bergamot and orange. Yeah, and definitely the peach. And then the second one I got is also this brand new package. I got Gourmand White Flowers. So let me try this one. Yeah, this one is definitely much more floral. This is definitely much more woody, the first one. And the second one is definitely much more floral. So, and if you're thinking about replenishing your collection of scents, I feel like this is a great time because, like I told you, these fragrances are very affordable. They're about $29, which is nothing comparing to like hundreds and hundreds of dollars in Ulta or any other stores. And you get a big amount. This is 50 milliliters, which is 1.7 ounces. This is so much more than what you would get, you know, in store for this amount. So if you think you want to try this brand, I think this is a great time because right now they have huge Black Friday sale. So if you're buying one bottle is $29, 258 I believe. The third bottle you get 20% off. The fourth bottle you get 25% off, and so up to 45%. So this is a great time. If you're interested, I'll post the links down below so you can go and check them out. So for today's look, I decided to create some sort of a fall inspired, but something easy to achieve. So I have a bunch of brushes right in front of me. I got my palette. I already done my this hair, guys, like this little hair. What is going on? It keeps like, okay, you asking for too much attention, my friend. So let's begin. First of all, I'm going to do my crease. And for the crease, I'm going to use this Morphe brush. It's like a regular blending brush. And with this little mama bear, it's like a perfect brown shade for any skin tone. Would be great for the crease. I'm just going to apply it all over. Well, not all over. I'm going to apply it in my crease. And I want this look to be like under 10, maybe 15 minutes. Depending if you're using false eyelashes or not. I've been giving my eyes a lot of rest. I'm like not putting the fake nails, not putting fake eyelashes lately. Just going all casual. So I just want to create this like a nice base to blend in our colors. So now that it's done, with the same brush, I'm using this Xoxo, which is this burgundy shade. I'm going over the first one, creating this nice background for basically everything else. I feel like if you guys want like more extravagant looks, there are just so many tutorials right now. It feels like everybody doing makeup, so I really want to stick with like a casual things, just because personally I don't do very much like bright makeup looks anymore because I never have time for it. So I'm just, I'm just down for like more casual looks lately. I don't know. Let me know if pandemic makes you feel some type of way, like being more casual or not. Alright, so I'm just deepening my outer corner with the same brush. And this eyeshadow palette, if you haven't gotten your palette yet, I really hope you will get one or consider getting one, because right now I have a collaboration with Jasmine from our show Little Women LA, and you get her 2 pairs of her lashes and this eyeshadow palette for $60, and it would actually, the total would retail for $80 if you would gotten it separately. So now, using this flat brush, I'm going to apply this little boss Tiny inspired gold eyeshadow, because Tiny's favorite color is gold. I'm just going to apply it all over my lid. And you can see like this shade is so pigmented, you can use MAC Fix Plus or you don't have to. And then it blends right in. You can use your finger, dry brush, wet brush, whatever you want to do. You're still going to have like a great payoff. I mean, of course you're going to get more payoff if you're using your finger with all your body oils on it, of course, because that's what makes, the pigment really pop. But I think this is pretty great. So the same blending brush, I'm going to define my outer corners just a little more. This is like a very casual, I want to do something like a halo, but I have pretty small eyes, so for the inner corners I'm going to use smaller brush, not this blending brush. Okay, now the smaller, like a pencil brush, I'm using the same Xoxo, it's like a burgundy shade for my inner corners. Right here. The same one. Let me guys know if you're celebrating, by the way. Speaking of this fall and holiday season, let me know if you're celebrating Thanksgiving this year. I think I'm going to do something very simple for my family. It's been 2 years since I wanted to try honey baked ham, and I think this year I'm going to do it because I know it's kind of pricey to get it for like a large group of people. So this year I'm getting it just for like a few people, me, my mom, and my husband. And I'm using this small flat brush for my bottom lashes, using the same shadow. I'm going to put it on the inner corners and outer corner, and I'm leaving the middle portion kind of open. So yeah, let me know what you guys gonna do for Thanksgiving. I think I'm just going to focus on my sides. I'll make the mashed potatoes and stuffing, like a cornbread stuffing, and I'm probably going to make buns. So, and I'm going to, I already bought like a turkey breast, which would be easy. It's already like, you just put it in the oven and it already has all the seasonings in it, so it's kind of easy. Okay, so the last thing I want to do, I'm going to, not the last thing. So now I'm using my liner, my Almay liquid liner. I love this thing because it does not dry out on me like other liners do, and it's very precise as well. So I'm going to do my liner. I'm gonna wing it out just a little bit, nothing too dramatic. The next thing is going my Roller Lash by Benefit mascara. Just a couple of layers will do. Now using another flat brush, the clean one, I'm using this Keeping It 100 to highlight my brow bone a little bit. Just a touch. Well, it's not the touch, but anyway. And I'm highlighting a little bit of my inner corner. This stuff is very pigmented, so you gotta be careful with that. And now using a small pencil brush, I'm using the combination of Intervention and this Frenemies, which is this black shade. I'm applying it to my outer corner just to darken it a tiny bit more. Just to kind of blend my eyeliner with the shadow. And that is almost done. I'm using this big blending brush just to blend in the edges together. Blend the edges together, sorry. And I think I'm done with my eyes. I'm going to use this Love Bite. What? Okay. I don't know what this. I don't know what this liner is. Just like a nude liner. So I just did my lip liner, and I'm using my favorite lip gloss by Fenty Beauty. What's the name of it? Fenty Glow Gloss Bomb. It used to be only one shade available, and I recently went to Sephora and I saw how many shades are available now. It's crazy. Alright, and that is pretty much it. It's been, what is it, 15 minutes or so. Wasn't too much time. Let me guys know if you like this look, and if you have any other makeup options or like tutorials you would like to see. I told you that I have a anniversary coming up next month with Preston, so maybe I can have like a very glam look next month. Let me know if you would be interested in seeing that. So comment down below. This hair just keep irritating me, but anyway. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, guys. I really appreciate that. Please give me your thumbs up if you enjoyed watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. I really appreciate that. It helps out my channel a lot. So yeah, and until the next time, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.